Hello again, ChoroQ collectors. I got a weird random one. Picked it up locally. Never. It was cheap. That's the only reason why I got it. Apparently, this is a train from some sort of movie of 2005 called Koshonin Mashita Masayoshi. He's a negotiator. Some guy terrorizes Japan by hijacking some crazy futuristic looking train, and that is the only image I can find of this train. You would think that, there would be some pictures of it, but maybe this is the worst movie ever. But it did get a 6 out of 10 on IMDb, so it couldn't have been that bad, right? Okay, well, let's see here. We got the standard, like, ChoroQ Zero kind of packaging here. It does say 2005, Tokyo Transportation Railway. Interesting. And I guess in the movie it's called the Monster Train Kumo E4 600. And this looks like it's a keychain. So you can take the halves apart. Oh, maybe it's a Christmas tree decoration. No, wait a sec. We're talking about Japan. So maybe not. Alright, I don't know. I guess this must be something to put on a backpack or something. There's more tape up here. Seems like an awful lot of tape here. Probably like a member card thing in here. Oh, just a date there and that thing there, yeah. It's actually a pretty nice cardboard. Seems kind of wasteful to put in. Okay, well, it already fell apart. We got this, I don't know what you call this kind of chain, these ball link chains, but they're not strong. I would never trust this kind of keychain to anything because they're so easy to break. And for some reason, this one's hard to take apart. I just don't have the... let's see. Alright, some broke loose. So this is gotta go. Does this come off? Get this stuff out of the background. Okay, well there it is put together. There's only one motor, and so this is the front end. Although it looks identical being a train. Let's see. It actually goes. So these little spring motors are capable of pulling a lot of weight. These are standard ChoroQ wheels, the 5 spokes, and standard ChoroQ front tires. So it's nice that they haven't gone bad. They haven't cracked or pitted or anything like that. So this is standard construction, a screw and a tab, but this little additional one is just screwed together because there's no motor, right? Decent panel gaps and all that stuff, and you have like a red Cylon like eye or like a Xeon eye going on in there. I think it's just red paint in a recess molded into that clear plastic. And then here you have the little train hookup thing, and it is offset to one side, and so mirror image again there. In fact, yeah, it would be like that. So the top, yeah, they're pretty symmetric. Yeah, only that thing really. And this one has the coin holder if you wanted it to do a wheelie, but the thing is so long, it's such a shallow wheelie. I really don't like those coin holders. But it's nice that this is a tampo print. I don't think it's a sticker. Oh, never mind, I could be wrong. I think I see an edge there. Well, it's nice to know what it is. And also, this is tampo printed for sure. I'm not sure why there's a piece of tape on there as well. Maybe this is a used toy. Okay. Yeah, I was hoping to just remove this, but you know what? Maybe I'll leave it because I know in Japan they have a lot of those trains with the electric connects, so maybe that actually is accurate to the movie. I don't know if I'm ever going to watch this movie. I don't know. But it is a funky train, so I'm a little curious. So I'll show you some other random stuff. Here's an old school bus. I 3D printed my own wheels for it though. And then I actually do have 2 trains. This is like a more modern train here. And can't read that text. Don't know. This is very used, very scratched up, but it actually has a lot of great details, the printing and all that stuff. And then this is some sort of 'tram. See, it's got those electrical hookups. And Mold-wise, it's not very good, but it's got a lot of printing on it. I'm assuming this is a real train in real life. Let me back out a little bit, because we got to show they also make boats. This is the Bay Trekker. Okay. And the last boat I have is called the Garv. So I reviewed all these other things if you want to look them up. ChoroQ, like, I know they make like robots and like humans even, like a sumo wrestler with a ChoroQ motor or something in it. So the brand's been around for a long time. You know, this one's, as we saw, it does actually say it does say 2005. Okay, but the other ones very often will say how old they are. Yeah, this is from '02, but I've seen some from like 1980, so it makes sense. These guys branch out into everything. Alright. So don't be surprised if I get some more weird ChoroQs. Right now it's not my intention, but you just never know. It depends on the price. I'll see you the next time around.